Hi guys, so we got a new camera. We're going to go swimming soon in the next episode. So we've got this to show you guys more about underwater. So it's a 0X and we got it from Officeworks. Here it is. So it comes with all the gear for it. So it comes with the waterproof casing. So we got the waterproof one already just in case any water gets in or the case accidentally comes off. It also comes with a 12-month warranty, I'm pretty sure, so that will be good. It's very cute and shiny. So it comes with the charging and data cable, the waterproof case, the bike mount, quick release, adhesive mounts, 3-way mounts, 4 straps, and 2 tripod adapters. And cleaners. Let's have a look. So it's waterproof for up to 10 meters by itself, and then when you put the case on, it's 30 meters, which will be pretty good. We'll have to practice diving for that one, and it's got Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can connect it to your phone and just get all the photos off without any cords or anything, I guess. So I've looked through the book, and I can't exactly find out what everything is, but I think these are the quick release mounts, and they go into the adhesive ones. So we've got that. I think this holds the tripod adapter. This looks like it might go on the bike. And then we just got these ones. I don't really know what they are, but they'll eventually be helpful. Got our charging cord. And we've got these straps and some zip ties and stuff, just some extra stuff, and the cleaning cloth and the waterproof casing, which, as you can see, is very shiny. Anyway, like and subscribe for more, and you can see what I use it for.